In Books Unbound, there are filters that will assist you in narrowing down your searches. These can be found under the Filters column on the dashboard. Here you will find the ability to filter your search results by full volumes, first chapters, and books marked with multi-volumes. Searching on the dashboard, you will notice several results that include many samples of the first chapters of books you may not own. To filter out these sample chapters and display just results from books that you own, choose the checkbox under the Filters section on the left side that says Full Volume. This will then filter your search results to just books that you own. If you choose the Single Chapter checkbox, you will filter the results to just the single chapter of all the books available in Books Unbound. One new feature of Books Unbound is the ability to search across multi-volumes of books. To conduct a multi-volume search, start by using the Multi-Volume Filter drop-down menu. Here you will find all books that have been tagged as having more than one volume. Once you find the book you are looking for, the search will filter results to just that book and its related volumes.